Welcome to this video tutorial covering the Abstract Sifter basics, querying PubMed and sifting the results. The Abstract Sifter application and documentation is available from this FTP site, ftp.epa.gov/sustainable_chemistry_data/sustainable_chemistry_dashboard/abstract_sifter/. The folder contains Excel Workbook Abstract Sifter v1.xlsm and its documentation. The Abstract Sifter works in Windows and Excel versions 2013 and 16. This tutorial assumes the viewer is familiar with Microsoft Excel and with PubMed. To open the Abstract Sifter, double-click on the file name or go into Excel and open it from there. You may have to enable content or macros when you open the Excel file. The Abstract Sifter has 7 sheets: README, Main, Abstract, Log, Notes, Sample Queries, and Landscape. Click on Main to go to the main sheet. We'll jump right in with the sample query. First, I click on Query PubMed. That brings up a form. Here I enter a PubMed query, any query. It can be simple or complex. In this example, I'm going to enter a simple query about a chemical. I'm going to type in fipronil and then click on Submit. The first form that comes back tells me how many citations have been found answering this fipronil query in PubMed. I can say yes to bring those citations back. If my query brings back more than 5,000, I'll be asked to reword it. That's the limit. When the form goes away, your query is done. Every citation that PubMed finds is going to be brought back and inserted as a row into the Abstract Sifter. The columns include hyperlink PubMed ID, publication year, title, authors, journal, and a column indicating whether the article is a review or not. The contents can be searched and sorted using built-in Excel filtering tools. However, the best way to find citations of interest is to use the innovative Sifter functionality. This functionality makes it so easy to find relevant articles quickly. Watch how. Let me show you how it works. The cells B3, C3, and D3 are where the Sifter terms go. In B3, I'm typing in the word cat. In D3, I'm typing dog. And then I'm typing cow in D3. What the Sifter does, it counts the occurrences of the string CAT in all of the titles and abstracts, all 1,000 titles and abstracts. And it gives you the count in the cell in the column. For instance, there are 20 occurrences of cat in this title and abstract. To see if there are any occurrences of cow in these articles, I'm going to sort on this column. And yes, indeed, there are a couple articles that talk about cows. Browse the sheet, sort, sift as many times as you want to. To see the abstract, double-click anywhere in the row. That brings you to the abstract sheet. On that sheet, you see the terms that you are sifting for in the appropriate colors. And your eyes can easily scan and see all the occurrences of those strings. When you want to go back to the main sheet, click on the Main button at the top of the abstract sheet. Repeat the process as many times as you want. Now a tip for chemical searches. If you're interested in dose-response studies, in one of your Sifter columns or cells, Type in mg per kg, for example. This lets you bring up dose-response studies very quickly. You can also put the dose as another Sifter term to get a really good idea of which articles are about dose responses. And in this example, I'm going to put the word term liver in as well, so I can find dose-response studies that might affect the liver. Now I'm sorting on liver to bring the ones with the most occurrences of liver to the top. And I can browse in any number of ways, looking for articles of interest. Another tip about chemical searching. Type part or all of the chemical name into the Sifter boxes. Then sort. This brings the abstracts that are about that chemical to the top, as opposed to abstracts that might just mention that chemical once or twice. Now we're going to look at the log sheet. Click on the log sheet tab at the bottom of the workbook. Every time you run a query in the Abstract Sifter, an entry is logged here. The columns include date, records returned, and the text of the query. To rerun a query, just double-click on the query text. And then you can continue to sift and sort and search as many times as you'd like. Thank you for watching this training video. Be sure to check out the other videos in this series to find out more about the Abstract Sifter capabilities. For more information on resources available from the EPA's National Center for Computational Toxicology, see our website or contact Monica Lindenbrink at lindenbrink.monica@epa.gov. For further information and questions about the Abstract Sifter, contact me, Nancy Baker, at baker.nancy@epa.gov.